Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Dale from Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. Before we get started, please feel free to maybe share this with a friend or leave a comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. And it wouldn't hurt if you liked this video too. That would be greatly appreciated. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to work on the eye first. So I'm going to make a little shape like that and then come on up with a great big upside down U. Like that. And I'm going to do a line right here and a circle right here, and I'm going to color this all dark. Alrighty. So now we can thicken up this line a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to start on the nose now. So a little bit past the eye, we're going to do a little shape like this, and then we're going to do a nose. So it's going to be a real round nose. Nice and round. And I'm going to put an oval inside that nose. It's kind of just the shiny spot where the light is hitting off of the nose. And next, I'm going to do a little line coming from this nose, coming down here a little bit. And we're going to connect it to right here. And then I'm going to come on down and curve all the way up here to the nose. And then we've got two little teeth. One, and then give a gap here between the teeth and do the other one like that. And now we can have an open mouth. And put the tongue inside. And we can do the bottom of the mouth. So I'm just going to outline that shape we just did. Like that. And now let's work on the other eye. So I'm going to come on up and do another one of those upside down U shapes. And I'm going to make a line right here and thicken it up. And we can do one of those inside circles and color that in all black. And right here, I'm going to slowly sketch up. And he's got a little bit of hair right here. Just a bit of hair on top of the head there. Another little flick of hair, and a bit more, and another little bit. So coming on down from the top of that little bit of floofy hair, coming on down here, and I can do a little curve right here, and then we got a bit more floof here, and a bit more. And we're just doing the face shape here now. And over on this side, let's do an ear. And we can do the inside of the ear by just following that shape we made. And I'm going to give one more little bit of floof right there at the top of the head. All right, so let's come on down from here. And before I finish the side of the face right over here, I'm going to finish working on this upper eye area. So big curve shape, come on down and stop right here. And then the side here, we can do a little bit of a cheek and then come on inward. And right here we can do a little bit of cheek fluff. And then bring that on in, like that. All right, so I'm gonna further this line here a little bit and then make this line match up with that. And Dale has this like really fun shirt on. It's like all red with these yellow flowers. So we'll get to that now in a moment. But I'm gonna start with a hand right here. So I'm gonna do a shape right here like this, and then like that. And then come on down and bring this shape down a little bit, this line, and then go on over that way and that way. And now we've got a little elbow here. And come on up a bit and do a line right here. So now that's going to be his, well, it is his arm. And we're going to do a line right here, and it's like he's holding on to the collar of his shirt here. All right, and we can do the shirt collar right here. And I'm going to put a line right here. And now he's got some fluff here, a bit of chest fur, like that. And if we go over here, we can finish up this sleeve in the shoulder. And come on up and go right there. And I'm going to put a line right here. And right here, we're going to work on the other hand. So I'm going to do a little funny shape like that. And another one. And another one. All right, and so poking out of these fingers, we've got the collar of his shirt, the other side. And then the other part of the collar is right here. And we can finish that little finger spot here. All right, so now we can come on down, bring that shirt down. And over on this side too, and do a bit of a curved line here for the bottom of the shirt, and we can do the rest of his arm there like that. And let's give him a leg, so a line there and another line there. And I'm going to do a line right here and a little bit of a curved one right here. And of course his cute little tail, I'm going to do like a little shape like that, and then we can put some little bits of fluff on the bottom of it. Little bits of tail fluff. And we need those fun flower shapes on the shirt. So there's just a pile like this. So they all are the same. You can just put them wherever you want on a shirt. So I'll put one right here. And maybe we've got one just kind of ending right here. And maybe we've got one kind of here on the edge of the collar. All right, so I'm gonna give him another ear over here. It looks like he could use one. Like that, and the inside of the ear. All right, so I think we are finished drawing, and now I'm gonna start to color. All right, folks, we are finished drawing Dale. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.